A Passover question that Google gets wrong. In fact, I think most of you are going to get it wrong when I ask you. You think you know the answer, and you're as confident as Google is, but you might, in fact, be wrong. So be prepared to be wrong. At the Passover Seder, according to the Jewish tradition, who asks the 4 questions? The youngest child. In fact, that is part credit, not full credit, partially true. The youngest child at the Passover Seder asks the 4 questions, but the problem is that at Passover Seders, you don't always have children. So if you don't have any children present at your Passover Seder, then who asks the 4 questions? The wife of the Seder leader asks the question, well, what happens if he's not married and he has no wife? Then who asks the 4 questions? He asks himself. Ooh. And then, if you have 2 Talmidei Chachamim, if you have 2 scholars in the room who know all the answers to everything that there is about Pesach, who asks the 4 questions? They ask one another, even when you already know the answers. Why, if you're in a room with just people who know all the answers to everything that there is about Passover, why do they still need to ask each other questions? Because asking questions is a form of freedom, and the one thing that slaves are not allowed to do is ask questions.